If you want to create AI content, but you don't have the time or patience to write a prompt, don't worry, we've all been there. The solution is Kapwing's custom Kai library, so sit back, relax, and let's find out how this works. AI videos are everywhere on social media. Just look at the last few big social trends. Remember the caricature trend and those pet dancing videos? Yep, they were all made with AI. AI is being used to speed up marketing and advertising workflows, with product videos like this generated in a snap. The trick to fast, high-quality AI content is the prompt, but you're not a prompt engineer, right? So why not use a prompt that a prompt engineer has already refined for you? That is how Kapwing's custom Kai library works. There are over 250 pre-designed AI templates for you to use. Just find the AI style you want and use it. You don't need to enter a prompt at all. Let's jump into a live example and see how this works. Okay, so here I am on Kapwing's Explore homepage with a library of AI styles to pick from. All the latest styles and trends are here, and I can flick through them all at the bottom here or use the search bar at the top. Let's say I want some sort of prank. I'll search prank. I like the look of this smashed TV, so now all I have to do is follow the instructions at the top. It will normally say something about uploading an image, and that's usually about it. This one says to upload a picture of my TV, so I'm gonna do that using the Attach Media button, and now all I need to do is click the arrow button, which will generate the image. With other AI tools, you need to explain in the prompt that you want the TV smashed and all these other unnecessary details. This all works with one click with no prompt. So click the link in the description and explore hundreds of image and video trends on Kapwing. Oh, but before you go, what if you want to create a viral trend from scratch and not just use one of these templates? Well, from the homepage, you'll see this button called Create Custom Kai in the top right. In short, this allows you to save your favorite AI prompts and reuse them across projects. The first box allows you to give your new custom Kai a name. I'm calling this one Minecraft Thumbnail Design. I want to create something that can turn me into a Minecraft character so I can use it on my personal YouTube channel. This next description box serves as a reminder of what the tool does or how it works, so if you're sharing the custom Kai with a team of your followers, it's good to add some brief instructions here. I'm going to put turns uploaded image into a Minecraft character, yada yada yada. You can skim down the page to Kai settings, as this is where things get important. This box here is going to control your custom Kai. You need to treat it like you would any other AI prompt box. You can copy and paste a prompt that you've used on Kapwing before, or any other AI tool. Likewise, you can write the prompt from scratch. I specifically asked ChatGPT to write me an image prompt that will turn any uploaded photo into a Minecraft character. So I'm just copying that and pasting it in now. And I'm also going to add a couple of reference images to help train the AI on the desired style I want it to replace. Finally, you also have the choice of selecting an AI model. For instance, if you know you want to replicate an image style you've seen going viral from Google Nano Banana, you can set that here. And to give you a couple extra details, Nano Banana is best if you're looking to add items into images, like adding a ring into a hand. And Dream is great at taking a subject and transforming it into a different style. Things like turn me into a cowboy or make this picture pirate themed. You can always change these settings later, so right now it's about getting your creation live and seeing how it works. So let's hit save and have a look. Here she is, my completed custom Kai. I'm gonna upload my image and then hit generate to test it out, and voila, my Minecraft character. Now, the custom Kai is going to live up here in the My Custom Kai section, and you can create and save as many as you want. So next time I need a picture of myself turned into a Minecraft character, I'll just head to my custom Kai and use the template. I won't need to enter a prompt or anything complicated, I just open it and hit generate. And I can do this with full confidence that the style will be in 100% match to last time. There you have it, a quick and easy way to create AI image and video content for your projects. And next time you see a viral trend on the internet, well, head on over to Kapwing and find the custom Kai template for it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!